Joel Embiid is coming off a game where he didn't score any points. It was probably the worst game of his career. Tonight, as they take on the Kings, he's looking to bounce back as he throws down a poster early. And then Ben Simmons gets loose for a dunk. He's hanging on the rim. The stat line for Embiid tonight: 33 points, 16 rebounds, 2 blocks. What a behind the back pass to Buddy Hield for the layup in transition. Bogdanovich slashing, attacking. He gets the and one layup, and it is a great game in the first half. In the second half, what a step back, but it's blocked by Thibault, and he's going to get loose for a slam. Philly with a double-digit lead in the fourth quarter, and Embiid pops the shot from the free throw line. More transition for the Sixers. Look at Embiid go. Oh! And he's flying in celebration. 76ers get a win. Touchdown! Oh no, no! That's a new move. Oh my gosh. Could have taken the lead and I celebrated. I didn't go in the end zone. That is an embarrassment.